Brace yourselves, folks. The AI game just got seriously upgraded. Forget chess-playing computers and chatbots spitting out weather reports. We're talking about a technological revolution, a paradigm shift, a nuclear bomb dropped on the industry. Introducing Gemini Pro, the AI rewriting the rules, the one they call the game changer, the brain on steroids. But don't just take my word for it. Let's crack open this beast and see what makes it tick. Today we're taking Gemini Pro out for a spin, showcasing its jaw-dropping capabilities and revealing the technical sorcery behind its magic. Showcase, bending reality with AI. Remember those "write me a poem in the style of Van Gogh" prompts that previous models turned into muddy watercolor messes? Gemini Pro laughs in the face of mediocrity. Watch as it conjures up a sonnet so vibrant, so Van Gogh-y, it practically smells like sunflowers and paint thinners. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about mimicking styles, it's about understanding them, bending them, recreating reality with pixels of pure imagination. Code Mastermind. Stuck on a coding bug? Forget Stack Overflow, call in the big guns. Gemini Pro dives into your code like a seasoned hacker, sniffing out errors faster than you can say semicolon. It doesn't just fix bugs, it rewrites entire chunks, suggesting ingenious algorithms you wouldn't dream of in a year of coding boot camps. And we're not just talking about your run-of-the-mill Python scripts. This bad boy tackles languages from C++ to Haskell, leaving seasoned programmers slack-jawed and wondering if their jobs are safe. Under the hood, the secret sauce. Architectural tour. So how does this silicon sorcerer pull off these feats? Buckle up, because we're diving into the neural network jungle. Let's crack open Gemini Pro's skull and see the gears turning. First up, we've got this revolutionary transformer architecture, basically a web of AI neurons firing faster than hummingbirds on Red Bull. Then there's the training process, fueled by a buffet of text, code, images, and even audio data. So vast it would make your phone blush. And finally, the secret sauce. Those unique capabilities like multimodal understanding, meaning it can switch seamlessly between interpreting a Picasso masterpiece and debugging your Python code. The future, beyond human imagination. Montage of futuristic AI applications. This isn't just about cool party tricks, folks. Gemini Pro is a glimpse into the future where AI isn't just a tool, it's a partner, a collaborator, a co-pilot on humanity's journey. Imagine designing cities with AI architects, composing symphonies with AI composers, even cracking cold fusion with AI scientists. The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination. And with Gemini Pro leading the charge, who knows what mind-blowing feats we'll achieve together. So, are you ready to join the AI revolution? Then buckle up, because Gemini Pro is just getting started. This is a story still being written, and you, my friend, are part of the next chapter.